this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an FXOpen account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to FXOpen.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here it should look something like this. And here you'll be able to either open up a live trading account or a demo account over here. If you want to open up a live account, you'll simply need to click Start Trading. But if you want to open up a demo account, you'll need to click Try Demo right here. From here, a new page will pop up where you'll be able to enter your email address and a password, and then you'll be able to create your account. Once you've done that, you'll see this page Open Account right here, where you'll need to select a platform type, either Tick Trader, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. From here, you'll be able to choose the account type and the account-based currency, which will either be Euro or USD. You can also choose a leverage down here if you want to do that, and add a balance. From here, you'll simply need to click Continue, and from here you'll see congratulations, your demo account is finally opened. And where here you'll also see your login credentials into. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!